Welcome everybody, to the second part of this course. In this video we will create our first web page containing a paragraph. Let's open our text editor and begin. HTML elements consists of tags. To declare a paragraph element we have to create an opening and closing tag. Like this. Everything between those two tags will be read by the browser as a paragraph. Almost all HTML elements consists of an opening and closing tag. There are exceptions, but we will talk about that in a later video. Let's type in some text between the tags. Okay, now we've created our paragraph element. Let's see if it works. Before we can open our file in the browser we have to name and save it. The name of a computer file consists of two parts. The first part is the file name. This can be anything you want. But it is good practice to name your index page as index. Because a page named as index will be automatically the first page visitors see, when entering your site. The second part is the extension. A computer must know what type of file it is, so he can show and open it. In this case we need to add an HTML extension to the name. Like this, .html. Now let's save it and open it in the browser. As you can see it works. Congratulations! You've created your first web page containing a paragraph. See you at the next video, and don't forget, the source is with you.